Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical Titanium Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the upper button. After the watch turns on, you will see this message on the screen, or this screen basically. It says select language. What you need to do is to swipe left on the screen and it will bring you to the list of languages. Here you can swipe up and down on the screen, scroll through the list, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find the language you can tap on it to select it. After you select the language, you will need to set up your profile, and you can do it by swiping left, selecting the gender, then birth year, unit system you prefer, time format, weight, height, and finally you will see this message, connect with SUUNTO app. Basically what we need to do is to download and install the SUUNTO application on our phone and use it to connect the devices. So make sure you have the internet connection on your phone and Bluetooth enabled. So let's enable the Bluetooth. Once you do, open the App Store on your phone. In the App Store, tap on search and type in SUUNTO and tap search. You should see this application, SUUNTO by SUUNTO. Tap on install to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on open. And here we need to log in into a SUUNTO account. You can use the Facebook account or tap on continue with email. And basically you can enter the email address. Then tap on continue. And if you have the account associated with this email address, it will ask you for a password. If you don't, you can basically make a new account. I'm gonna enter my password. And tap on login. And after you log in, you will see this page, welcome back. Tap on continue. Here we are asked to allow some permissions like location, nearby devices, and to allow them you need to tap on allow and allow. And you can also allow the location if you want to, or you can skip by tapping on skip. I'm gonna allow it, but if you don't like to allow it, you can skip this step. Okay, now let's skip this, and you should see the home page of the app. Let's wait a couple of seconds. It should redirect us to the pairing page. If it doesn't, you can always tap on the watch icon right here at the top, and it's gonna bring you to the pairing page. Okay, let's wait. And as you can see, it detected our watch. Let's wake up the screen on it. And then tap on connect. Tap on pair, enter the code from the watch, tap on OK. Right here we can connect our watch to the Wi-Fi network if you want to. You can tap on setup network, select the network you want to connect your watch to, and enter the password basically. But as you can see, we don't have any networks here. We need to tap on add network, tap on OK. Now you should see the list of networks. Once you see the networks, you can select one, enter the password. Then we can tap on close, and as you can see, network is right here now. And once you're done adding the networks, you can tap on back. Here we can download the maps. So if you want to use the maps in the offline mode, you need to download them. You can tap on download maps and basically search for the name of the map and download them right here. It might take some time though, and I also recommend to connect your watch to the Wi-Fi if you want to do it. Okay, and once you're done with maps, you can also swipe left and you have widgets rather, and you can customize the widgets by turning them on or off. So if you want to keep them maybe minimalistic and you want to turn off most of them, you can do it. If you want to keep them all, you can also do it. Okay, and once you're done, With customization, you can tap on the X right here at the top, tap on Allow, tap on Done, and you should see the device page for your SUUNTO Vertical. And let's wait until it's done syncing. And once it says connected, it's done and our watch is paired with our phone. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.